Action.
Hi, my name is Ingela and I'm from Note So Easy. I've been training music teachers, musicians, composers how to use Sibelius, a product by Avid, with great success for 12 years at least. And so if you would like to learn the tricks of Sibelius at your own pace, I'm the person that you can contact. Whether you are a total newbie or you just want to sharpen your skills, I will customize your training for you. We do online screen sharing so we can work on a project that you would like to work on in your own time, in your own office or school or wherever you are. It doesn't matter which city or country you are, we can do it.